guys, welcome back to my channel. The first thing you're going to see me do here is get my pattern that I created and find the measurement of my bust line. And I have a video on that by this tutorial. Here are the calculations that you will need. So go ahead and pause this video so you can go ahead and calculate the measurements you'll need for this particular tutorial. Now I have a vertical straight edge guideline, but because my paper is not straight at the top, I need to create a horizontal guideline off of that vertical guideline. So that's what you see me doing here. Alright, so my first point I'm going to make, I'm going to go down 0.7 inches from the horizontal guideline on that vertical, and I'm going to plot that point on that vertical guideline. Now I'm going to go to the horizontal guideline and I'm going to mark the armhole measurement that I got from my calculations. And from that armhole point that I just marked, I'm going to go down and mark my armhole X measurement from that calculation, and then I'm going to connect the 2 points. Now from that armhole X measurement, I am going to connect the first point that I made, and that armhole X measurement, I'm going to draw a line connecting the 2 points. Now I am going to find my sleeve length, or plot my sleeve length on that vertical guideline, and I'm going to create a horizontal guideline from that point. Now I am plotting my arm round measurement on that horizontal guideline, and go ahead and connect that armhole X point and then that arm round measurement point. Now let's go back to the top where we created that armhole X point in the first point. You want to find the center of that line, and then find the center of the center. So mark both the centers of that center, and you should have 3 points there. Now from both of the outside points, you want to go down 1 centimeter. So the first point I went up 1 centimeter, the middle point I didn't do anything to, and then the second point I went down 1 centimeter. Now I'm taking my curved ruler and I'm connecting from the first point to the top of that line that I created in that center point. I'm making a curve, and I'm going to do the same thing for that second, the outer point that I created. So as you can see, it created a wave there. Now I'm making a grain line, marking my center, and the pattern is now complete. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the pattern, and I'm cutting along the wave, so be sure that you cut this pattern properly. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Alright, see you next time.